Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your Earbuds Happy Plugs Joy. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case and your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone. We can check it in the settings if we go to the Bluetooth. So if you have iOS you will see this text that is not connected. If you have Android it will move from My Devices or Media Devices to Save Devices. It depends because on some Android phones like on Realme under the earbuds you will see the information in use if it connected and no information if it disconnected. After that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone automatically. And right now, as you can see, we have connected on iOS. If you have Android, it will turn to My Devices or Media Devices, or on Realme you will see in use. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbud and sometimes big trouble. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!